Hello, it's me, your host, and welcome to a special vlogmas because I have a mystery box to open that I got from AliExpress, so it should be fun or funny. But first, let's get this shit out of the way. Oh god, that's disgusting. Ugh. It's a bird. A17 was yesterday. It's a gift. And that's 18. Sorry. Oh shit. It broke. In half. What the hell was it? Let's see. With the light. Some sort of bag, I think. Anyway. There's my tree. Some gifts have been wrapped. Now that that's out of the way, let's get the mystery box. Or rather, the mystery bag from Ali. I'm not gonna show you the address, but it's from Ali. Does it even have the address? No, it does not. This should have 30 pieces of fidget toys. So, let's open it up. I'm sorry, I'm always doing this from bed and without showing my face. My face. Horrible lighting, horrible face. Someone said that my lighting was awful, and it is, because I don't really have a good lamp. My lamp is still the bulb lamp from when I was a child. I hate this so much. Open this. It's gonna be troublesome too. This up. See. Oh god. They all really come in a sort of bag of crap. Oh my god. What is this? Ooh. I got a big one. Look, it's a castle. It's one of those plastic ASMR Oh shit. Just put it there. It's one of those thingies. Yeah, it's a fidget toy and it's quite big, quite nifty. Not pleased with it. That's a frog. Does it jump? I can make these in origami. Oh shit, where is it? Where the hell is it? Did it jump to the floor? Where's the frog? Where's the goddamn frog? Where the hell did that frog go? Excuse me? Where's the frog? Oh, okay. Found the frog. The frog has been found. And it's staring at me weirdly. What the hell is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? It's a lot of stuff inside one little baggie. Okay. I can tell that this is a strange fidget spinner with where's there it is, the flap. Oh my god, that's a fidget spinner. Look. Oh, and it has one of those things, look. Considering that I have autism and inattentive type ADHD diagnosed professionally, I kind of wanted to check these, and it was pretty cheap, so oh god, that's will it focus? Yes. Unicorn. A very elongated unicorn that looks like a centipede. It's very weird, but it's a fidget toy. It's definitely a fidget toy. That's a very strange fidget spinner with movable parts. Oh wow. That's nice. Look. And it also has the thing, look. It's very strange to spin it. I mean, I suppose if you like, let's see, do it like so, and like so, and like so, like so, you can sort of, maybe not, spin it like this. My fingers are not big enough. But it's a fidget spinner. It's a weird fidget spinner. Quite like it. It's nifty. I think I will be giving some of these to kids I know. There was something else in this baggie. Oh my god, it's a little Christmas thingy. Thanks, that's very festive. Look, oh, that's better than what I got on the calendar. But that's not a fidget toy, is it? It opens. It has something inside. What is this? Is it a magnet? Is it a magnet? Let me check. No, maybe it's some sort of way to keep it up. And that's also a fidget toy. That's a ball inside of a net thing. Okay, that's all for that bag. That's another weird fidget spinner. And I'm not sure about the way it came. Yeah, maybe we should just do it like this. Yeah, like so. Look, oh, that's so much nicer. Yeah, I'm not sure about the way it came, but it's nice. Now I have a lot of fidget spinners. I never actually had one when they were popular. Okay. Oh, wow, what is this? What is this? YouTuber voice. What is this? What is this? Oh, it has a little face. Oh, it has a little face. It looks a little bit sad. It's another strange fidget spinner with those pokey things. It's cute with its little face. Sad. Happy. Sad. About to cry. Happy. That's cute. That's nice. Oh, it's one of those. Yeah, it's one of those. I know what this is. It's one of those squishies. The very small kind that I destroy constantly because I fidget with them a lot. And it comes with some sort of gunk. It's cute though. Look. Oh. I like the texture. It's the right size for my hand. The problem is that I keep doing this and squishing it too hard, and then it goes to hell. Oh my god, I got a plane. I got a plane. It's a plane. It's one of those planes. Those items that comes inside those. You know those mystery balls? Maybe that's a Portugal only thing. Is it one of those? It is. Yeah, it is. It is one of those things that moves when you. Yeah, it's friction based. God, it's so cheap. It's a fidget toy. It looks very goofy. Look at it. Another. Oh, that's a bracelet. Oh my god, this is a bracelet. Oh my god, I love bracelets. Look at my arm. Look at my goddamn arm. I love bracelets. Oh my god, I'm so going to be using this. This is perfect. Oh my god, I'm gonna use this right now immediately. Oh my god. How did they know? Oh, they did not. That's got something right there that I should probably be able to put this bit through so that it doesn't come off. I think that's the purpose of it. I think that's the purpose of it. Oh, there it is. Yep, that's exactly what it's for. And luckily enough, my hands are very small. Oh my god, I now have a new bracelet. It's a fidget bracelet. Oh my god, I love it. I'm keeping this one. That's a keychain. That's a chain. That's a thing to hang on something. In the shape of a little candy. I'm also keeping this one because I like things to hang. And it's another one of those. I kind of expected a lot more of these small little bastards. But so far, not that many. But look, kind of cute. I like them. I destroy them constantly. It's another one of those. It's the exact same one. I'm definitely going to give this to someone, some kids. Another frog. This one is green. Oh, the eyes have holes. That's just a rubber band. It's a fidget toy. Definitely a fidget toy. You can definitely fidget with this. And another one, exactly the same, but in another. Oh look! Oh my god! How did I know? You know my favorite contestant in this year's Eurovision was Kärjä from Finland, and these eyes colors. How did I know? Magic. And it's another one, a blue one. Woo! Another one of these little bastards. I'm just opening them all up. Usually I save them until I break one and then I get another one. And then get fresh ones when I ruin all of them. This one, oh, this one is good. This one is great. Actually, this one is great. Another one of those ball things inside a very shiny, colorful thing. Oh my god, I really like these. Oh look, it's another one of those cute little things. I'm not sure what you're supposed to do with this. If they stand on their own, they do stand, yeah. It's not very fidgety. Oh, it's another one. This one is a little tiger. Will it focus on it? Yes, it will. Wait, please focus. Ooh, it has some sort of Chinese written on it. I'll try to Google it later. And one more those thingies that go back and forth. And another one. I suppose this one is to hang from something? Or maybe it's missing the hangy bit. Oh my god, and I got another one of those cheap mystery ball toys. This time it's a little car. Let's check. Oh god, this is so cheap. Is it friction? Yes, it is. It's a goofy little car. Yeah. And we got another one of these. I'm definitely going to be giving some of these away. Oh wait, there's another bracelet. Do I like this one more than that one? Or are they the same? I guess I kind of like this one more because it has a bit of purple. Why not both? No, I'll just give it some. See, what the hell are these? This looks dangerous. I mean, it's definitely something you could fidget with, like put it on your something, but looks dangerous. Oh shit! Fell. Where the hell is the fucking? Oh my god! There she is. The chain for that little thing that I just said was missing. There it is. Yeah. It's for this. And luckily for me, I know exactly how to click this in. There it is. And it's over. Okay, let's count them. While I put them back in the back. There's another one. There's another chain. From what? From this. Okay. Okay, alright. No, my idea was originally to get this before Christmas and then open one on each day of the Advent. But that didn't happen. So let's count. It said it was 30. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 with the big castle thing, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31 with my bracelet. Oh, I actually got an extra one. Okay, thanks, Ali. I have no idea what the hell I'm supposed to do with those golden rings. But I have no idea where they went. I spotted one. It's hiding. They gave me three of this. Maybe I miscounted. This is kind of a weird fidget toy. It's not something I would give to a child, definitely. But yeah, that was the mystery box with fidget toys from AliExpress. I'm not disappointed, actually. I think that the electronics mystery boxes are just scams, but the fidget toys things just give you exactly what you pay for. I think I paid $7 for this, for all of this, and I think that's a fair price. I mean, the castle is huge. I wouldn't get all of this in a shop for this price, that's for sure. So, yeah. This has been day 18 of Vlogmas, and this is a long video that I will be uploading and nobody will watch. But, Merry Christmas! And check out my new bracelet. Wow. Swag. Yeah, Merry Christmas.